Types of stem cells. Starting off, we have lymphoid stem cell. They're presumed to be capable of differentiating into T or B lymphocytes. Very recent data suggests a distinction between lymphoid and myeloid stem cells may in fact be more complex. Talking about T lymphocytes or thymus-derived lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, which are bone marrow derived, or in the case of birds, they are bursa derived. Now, these two are the major cellular components of adaptive immunity. B lymphocytes are the precursor of antibody-forming cells. And in fetal life, the liver may play the part of the bursa. Natural killer cells or NK cells are lymphocyte-like cells capable of killing some virus-infected cells and some tumor cells, but with complex set of receptors that are quite distinct from those on true lymphocytes. Now, NK cells and T cells may share a common precursor. Haemopoietic stem cells, or HS cells, are the precursor of spleen nodules and probably able to differentiate into all but the lymphoid pathways. That is granulocyte, erythroid, monocyte, megakaryocyte, and are often referred to as CFU-GEMM.